Are you tired of having to use multiple applications just to collaborate and communicate? Or maybe having to create multiple groups that entirely consist of the same members for different purposes? Or perhaps the hassle of using a desktop application that forces you to have the mobile application running? If you feel the same way as I do, then you're in luck. Greetings, my name is Abdurrahman Sufar. I'm an informatics student of the Sebelas Maret University, partaking in the English for IT A class. My friends and I are from the A group, and we would like to introduce you to Discord, a better way to collaborate. Discord is an instant messaging, voice over IP, and digital distribution platform used by many people worldwide. With its servers, channels, roles, and other unique systems, you can send text messages, hold voice and video calls, easily create subgroups called channels, as well as managing your members by their roles. Discord makes it easier to communicate and manage your team rather than having to use multiple applications to do the same task. In this video, we will cover the basics of Discord for you, which will include the following: a brief mention of Discord's supported platform, account creation and management, server creation and management, as well as a brief demonstration of its voice and video call features. Let's move on to the first one, shall we?
Let's start with a small talk of Discord support platform. Discord supports three main platforms which include desktop, website, as well as mobile. Despite supporting three different platforms, all of the features offered by Discord can be used in any of these platforms without any limitation whatever. Before we talk about its feature, of course, we will need a Discord account to be able to use them in this section. We will be covering how to make one for yourself. First of all, we would have to download the application itself on the platform of our choice, or you can also access the website-based platform through a browser as well. We will then proceed into the apps. Next, click on the button that says register to start your registration process. Fill in your email, username, and password of your choice, and date of your birth. Once you have done that, click continue. And finish the CAPTCHA. If your registration process complete successfully, you will then be brought into Discord main menu.
Okay, so in this section, I will show you how to customize your profile in Discord. You can setting your status. First, click this avatar and you can set your status that you want. After that, if you want to change your username or avatar, you have to go into user settings. Click this edit if you want to change your username. Type your username that you want, and then you have to type your current password, so Discord will authenticate you if you want to change your username. After that, if you want to change avatar, click this and browse your image. Click open, and then adjust your image. You want to slide to the right or left, or zoom in and zoom out. Click apply, and after that you have to save your change. Click this, save change. After that, Discord also provide you to safety and privacy for your account. So you can choose who is allowed to send direct message by set to settings that you want, and you can choose who can add you as a friend. After that, I will show you how to setting your device. You have going to this app settings, click this voice and video. So open the drop-down menu in this input device and output device. So input device is your microphone settings and output device is your headset or headphone settings. Click the drop-down menu. If you choose the default settings, Discord will refer to whichever microphone is set as default for your operating system. Same as the output device, you can set to default speaker or headphone. You can, if your microphone coming through too loud, click and drag the slider under input volume to an appropriate level that you want. So after that, by clicking this Let's Check button, Discord will activate. You can check your microphone. Is that active or not? By default, Discord will activate your microphone when it detects noise. You can change the setting to push to talk, which will instead activate your microphone only when you push the corresponding key. Change the setting by checking the box either voice activity or push to talk. If you choose the voice activity setting, you can adjust the input sensitivity settings. Discord automatically determines mic sensitivity by default, but you can turn off these settings by uncheck the toggle and adjust the slider for more or less sensitivity.
Okay, hello everyone. This time I will show you how to make a server in the Discord application. Server in the Discord application is like a group in WhatsApp, but in this Discord you can do a meeting or voice group call with members on the server. The first thing to do to create a server is to click plus button at the left area of the Discord. After that, you will see a window that requires you to choose one. There are some templates from the Discord that will help you to manage your server. Let me try create my own because I want to manage the server manually. Now we have to choose whether you want to make a server for you or your friend, or for your club or your community, or you can skip this question by clicking it. Then you can set the server name and server logo or photo profiles. Let me change the server name with EF English create my own. Then click create, or you can just enter it. And the server has been created. Okay, the next step is inviting or adding people to the server. After creating the server, we have to invite or add our friends to join the server. So we could chat, voice call, or do online meeting with our friends. There are many ways to invite or add your friends. If you just met the server, you can click invite your friend in the middle of the Discord, and then send the invitation link to your friend. The second way is by clicking the person logo beside the gear logo and then send the invite link to your friends. The last way is by open the server menu and click invite people, then send the invite link to your friends. That's all, thank you.
Discord has this thing called private channel, where only certain people can interact with it. This can be useful for group assignment, where you want the discussions to stay private between each group. Now, I'm currently viewing the server as an admin, so I can see everything, but the meeting rooms over here are actually assigned to one group only. Let me show you how it looks like if I view it as someone from a group A. See, they can only see the group A meeting rooms, same as group B and group C. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a channel and the role for this. First, we're going to server settings, roles, create role, give it a name. You can also change the color, and you can set the permission, but you don't need to do anything over here. And on the manage member, you can add multiple members at once by taking the name of the members. So let's add both of us. Okay, once you're done, click Save Change. Let's get back to the server, and we need to create the channel now. To do it, click the plus sign on the category that you want to add the channel to. Okay, let's give it a name. Okay, make sure it's private. Next, now we're going to take the group that we want to assign this channel to, and then create a channel. If you've done the steps correctly, you will see that there's a little padlock over here, and this will say that this is the start of a private channel. Let's create a voice channel to go with it. Again, private channel. Next, group D, create channel. And there we have it. Now, I'm going to do a quick demo of voice and video call on the Discord server. First, you need to join the same voice channel by clicking the name of the channel. Hello Arga.
Hello Ali.
Thank you for helping me with this part.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, to make this into a video call, you just need to turn on your camera, which can be done by clicking this video button on the lower left side. Yeah, hello.
Hello, Ali.
Okay, now the display will change into this, so we can see each other. Here you will see there are 4 buttons. It's just the same buttons that you can find over here. This one is to turn your camera on and off. This one to share your screen, to mute and unmute yourself, and to disconnect from the call. Okay, that's it.
We have covered the basics of Discord and have now reached the end of the video. We would like to thank you for watching, as well as Mr. Hassan for his guidance on the making process of this video. We certainly hope that this video has shed some light regarding the usage of Discord and its advantages. See you later!